Hi friends. After you enter your individual code in Seesaw, you will see this green button right here. You're going to go ahead and select that button, add response. And on the first slide, you will see a picture of the cover of the book, Hands Are Not for Hitting. If you need a refresher or reminder of a kind way that you can use your hand, you can go ahead and just click on this link and it will take you to the story. Let me show you. So you can just watch the story to remind yourself of a safe way that you can use your hand. All right, we're going to go back to Seesaw. And after you've reminded yourself, if you need a reminder, you are going to go to slide number 2. And here you will see the written instruction of what you're required to do. If you're not able to read the instructions, you can click on this play button, this purple play button, and you will hear your instructions for the activity. Let me go ahead and show you. Draw a picture of one safe way you can use your hands. Then write or say a sentence telling how you are using your hands safely below your picture. Okay, now I know I said below your picture, but if your sentence cannot fit below your picture, you can write your sentence beside your picture. That is okay. So the first thing I will do is to draw my picture. So I am going to go to the bottom of my screen. Here you can see we have some drawing tools that we can use. I am going to use this pen and draw a picture of myself using my hands safely or kindly. Because it is my picture, I'm going to go ahead and make it as pretty as I want it to. You're free to do that. So I'm going to draw the sun. Let me use this one for the sun. It's a sunny day. All right. I can also put some clouds in my picture, like change that to blue. And I'm going to go ahead and use brown to draw myself. Let me change my drawing tool. I'm going to use this pencil. And if you want to change the size of your pencil or pen, you can just click on it and then you'll see like the different size options that are available. I'm going to use this one and draw a picture of myself using safe hands. That's a little bit too big. So let me use the eraser. This is the eraser. And I'm just going to go ahead and erase that picture. So you also have that option if you make a mistake. All right, let me get my pen up. And this is perfect. Okay, so one safe way that I use my hands is I use them to feed my cat. So I'm going to draw a picture of myself feeding my cat. My little purple skirt and my feet. And I am going to draw a picture of my little black cat. And here I am giving my cat a treat. Okay? Alright, so that is done. Now after I draw my picture, I will go ahead and click on this T. Here I have my text box. You have the option, if you click out of the text box, it's going to come off the page. If that happens, just click back on the T and you can move your text box wherever you want to place it. So I'm going to write, I use my hands to feed my cat. So I use my hands to feed my cat. I'm going to move my text box up. And if I want to get all my words in a straight line, I'll just press on the side right here, click on it, and just drag it to the side. And then I'm going to move my sentence down. Now, if you're unable to write a sentence, you have the option to click on the microphone. And when you click on the microphone, you're going to hit start recording, and you record your sentence. Now, when you're finished recording your sentence, you just click back on the red microphone like I just did, and then you hit done at the top, and you should be able to hear your sentence when you press this play button. When you're finished with your assignment, you're going to go ahead and click on the green button with the white check mark, and your lesson is completed. Thank you for watching. Have yourself a good day.